Workflow at a standstill because of the in-the-hand Net Personal Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix 32feet.net conflict for good. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for in-the-hand Net Personal Library, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the in-the-hand Net Personal Library, a popular .NET library for managing localized Bluetooth, RFCOMM, and infrared IrDA connections in Windows apps. If missing, specialized mobile sync tools or heart rate monitor software will report no adapter found or will crash immediately upon scanning for devices. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Because in-the-hand Net Personal Library DLL is an embedded file used by 32feet.net, it cannot be repaired by standard Windows tools, and you should download the latest version of the affected software to restore the missing library automatically. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the in-the-hand Net Personal Library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. To fix persistent errors with integrated libraries, you must ensure a clean file sync, and you should use a dedicated uninstaller to remove the host program along with its registry keys. Following this with a fresh installation of your software components ensures that the DLL file is properly mapped for the host program to run. Why are we doing this? Well, residual registry entries can point the software to the wrong file path, and a complete removal ensures that the new installation is correctly indexed by the operating system. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for in-the-hand Net Personal Library DLL, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. If registry organization or initialization timing is a concern, the diagnostic information below references in-the-hand Net Personal Library Management. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing in-the-hand Net Personal Library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.